Affiliate marketing advice that can actually work. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make a little extra money. In fact, lots of people are making a full-time living from in this way. This video can explain to you how affiliate marketing works and how you can put it to work to benefit you. Focus on benefits in your sales copy. Don't just list the features of your product, tell people what they will actually get from your product. Will they get peace of mind? Will they make money? Don't merely sell the features, sell the real benefits of what your product can do for them. You can put your customers in a buying mood by telling them all about the advantages of the product. Do not simply mention the product or post pictures of it. Explain why you love it and how it has changed your life. Convince them that they need this product before directing them to the page where they can buy it. Affiliate marketing is a great tool for bloggers all over the world. It enables them to generate an income by linking to business sites that sell what they are blogging about. If you have a great site with enough traffic, an affiliate link can be just what you need to pay for your domain or even some extra pocket money. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, discover the type of tracking software a company uses before you join their affiliate program. If the program does not track all of your sales, then you will not receive credit for all of the viewers that you refer to their company. Affiliate marketing can be something that you can make work for you. By following the tips in the video above, you can realize a nice income from the comfort of your own home. Obviously, you can't expect instant results, but if you are in it with a long-term view, you can be successful at it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.